Hey y'all, it's Kathleen Henderson from Yankee Homestead and Oil Together Now, and I'm excited to tell you about our brand new citronella oil that was just released at doTERRA's convention in September of 2019, and it's now available for purchase as of October 1st, 2019. The cost for this 15 milliliter bottle of citronella is $18 wholesale and $24 retail. Let's talk about citronella, where it comes from and what it's good for and how you can use it. So it comes from the leaf of a tall grass that's native to Asia. You probably already know that. Citronella is a common ingredient in a lot of insect repellent products. It has a crisp, fresh aroma that you may already be familiar with. It's closely related to lemongrass. It has a similar aroma. And it has powerful pest repellent benefits. It's ideal for camping, hiking, any time spent outdoors, gardening. The oil works. I didn't know this. I just learned this as I was researching our new citronella oil. It works by masking human fragrances, especially the human fragrances that insects like mosquitoes, especially mosquitoes, find appealing. So the oil masks the aromas, the human aromas that insects are attracted to. Oil components include citronellol and geraniol, which are also good for cleaning surfaces around the home. And it is a mood booster. When you inhale citronella, it helps to promote positive, happy feelings. This is interesting too. Diffusing citronella, using it aromatically, supports GABA modulation, which relaxes the normal autonomic response. All of that to say that it can help to manage stress. And applied topically, it can benefit the skin and the scalp. It promotes healthy skin that is free from blemishes and helps to soothe the skin and the scalp. You can use citronella aromatically and topically. You want to dilute for topical use. It's also soothing to areas of discomfort like joints and muscles, so you can dilute and apply on location to any of those uncomfortable areas. It also fights bacteria and fungus, so it's good for things like athlete's foot. You want to combine it with cilantro or tea tree oil to make it extra effective. It's a good detangling agent for hair and also helps to combat greasy hair, helps to deal with excessive oil. You can accomplish that by adding 2 to 3 drops of citronella to shampoo. For hair detangling, you could also make a spray with citronella and water in a spray bottle. For topical use and aromatic use, citronella blends well with mint oils, with spice oils, fir oils, and wood oils. Citronella also supports healthy liver function. Even with long-term use, that is sometimes a concern when we're talking about the liver, but studies have shown that it supports healthy liver function even when used over long periods of time. It also supports healthy cholesterol levels, healthy circulation, apply over the heart and the bottoms of the feet twice daily, promotes a healthy inflammatory response. Like I mentioned, you can use it on joints and muscles, dilute and apply as needed, about 2 to 4 times a day. Citronella can also be effective against intestinal parasites. And get this, it can be used as a pet repellent. Why would you need a pet repellent? Well, maybe your pets get on furniture or go into areas of the house where you don't want them. You can spray citronella, make a spray with citronella and water in a spray bottle and spray it on the furniture or in places where you don't want them to go. And you can also use it as a no-bark spray. There are no bark sprays on the market. You can make your own with citronella and water, which is really interesting because we have 2 dogs, and our biggest dog is a livestock guardian dog here on our farm. His name is Mudge. He's an Anatolian Shepherd. He's huge. He weighs more than I do. And he does not like our TerraShield bug spray. He actually, when we wear it outside or when we have the spray with us outside, he will not come near us. We have been observing this lately. Isn't that interesting? And citronella is one of the ingredients in TerraShield. So you could just use TerraShield too. Don't spray the TerraShield spray on your furniture though, because it has fractionated coconut oil in it. I would stick to water. Just make your own, or you can use the TerraShield oil and make your own spray with water, but don't use the ready-made TerraShield spray. That's my advice. And you can also use citronella as a surface cleaner, especially in the kitchen. It has a really refreshing aroma, and it's good, again, as I said, against bacteria and fungus and all of that. So it makes it a great surface cleaner. You can try combining 6 to 8 drops of citronella with a tablespoon of vinegar in a spray bottle of water and use that as a surface cleaner. So I hope that gives you some ideas for getting started with citronella. It's also good for other purposes. I encourage you to do your research and start experimenting with citronella for yourself. Remember that the brand new post-convention kit is now available as of October 1st, 2019. When you buy the kit together as a bundle, you save over $100. The kit price is $255, and it has a point value of 200 points, which means that right now, during October 2019, when you purchase a post-convention kit, you also get the awesome promotion that's going on right now. You get 3 freebies: Copaiba soft gels, Copaiba oil, and yellow mandarin oil, which are great for lots of things, but primarily for joints and muscles and areas of discomfort in the body, also for mood support. So anyway, the post-convention kit is available now, $255. If you are a doTERRA member, you can order it through the loyalty program and get more points back to cash in later for more free oils. If you're not a doTERRA member yet, we can help you get started. I have a link for you in the description of this video where you can get that post-convention kit that I mentioned, all of the items that were just released this fall 2019, or you can change the kit to something else that best meets your needs. But citronella comes in that post-convention kit, or you can buy it separately, again, for $18 wholesale or $24 retail. Happy oiling, y'all, and have fun experimenting with your new citronella oil.